Yaga yo, we're outside again. So yes, family, if you're new, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe and all that beautiful stuff. And today, and I hope it's open, you know, so I don't want no, you know what I mean? And this is promo, man.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. I'm gonna show you where you can buy some serious patties from. Yeah, it's an actual patty factory. You get me? It's up, what they call it, Winston Green. And I just hope that I actually can remember where it is. You get me? So, to me, personally, the best patties in Brum, in my humble, honest opinion, is Grandad's. Hands down. Grandad's. Second, I will say, is this place where I'm taking you. So, I think with Grandad's and this place I'm taking you now, I think if you like thick, fluffy pastry that flakes everywhere, this is where you come. If you like the pastry a bit thinner, and I don't know, yeah, if you like the thinner pastry and you know the softer texture, then you go Grandad's. Also, obviously the filling is different in it, but yeah, you can't go wrong with either of them. You get me? But I think I'm gonna try and show you where this place is. So just stay tuned, man. England. I think I can go that way, to be fair. Oh, somebody got the bike out, man. I'm hoping I can come this way anyway. And the thing is, you know, when you buy these patties, yeah, you can't just buy one. It's two minimum. Not that they only sell it like that, but you're gonna want a chicken and a beef. You get me? Or a chicken and a lamb, or you get what I'm saying? So it's down here somewhere. I think it's where that car's just turned. I'm sure it is. Let's have a look. It's down here somewhere. And that's if they're still here as well. So if you want to get your patties in bulk, if you want to buy them singular, you just come right here. And like I said, that's if they're still here. They're called Tasty Pastry. That's it. The question is it open? We know this thing go already. I think it is open actually. Yes, this is the outlet. So it's this place here, the patty shop outlet. Hold on. Oh, the wrong blasted way. Doors here. Aye? Say that again? I don't know, I'm coming to buy food, innit? Yeah. It's this one, innit? Yeah. You're right. Have you got any hot? Okay, cool. Can I have, please? Sorry? A beef and a chicken patty, if you got, please. All right, beef then, if you've got. That, have you got the chicken one? But you got you got beef, yeah? Oh, I'll have a beef one then, please. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so the chicken is not ready till later. I mean, to be fair, it's still early. So. Oh. The days of Noah have come. Is this a sign for me? I'm looking on here. Me with my heathen non-believer self. We all know that the people of Noah's time will corrupt him. Okay. Right, give me a sec. This helmet needs to come off, man. It's ripping off. Right, so we did say to be careful. Really hot. I can feel the heat coming out of it, man. This is yeah, this path is fresh. Literally just come out of it. Look how thick the pastry is. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good. It's been a while. Yes, family, this is sick. If you want to buy patties, even if it's in bulk, or if you want to buy singles, check out this place, Tasty Pastry, I think it's called. The patty shop they supply for, or they are part of the patty shop. Sick. But yeah, family, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.